There's a place alive with the magic of imagination and all the colors of the rainbow.
Well done. Bravo, bravo.
There's a place where the heart and mind always play together.
This is big.
Yes, indeed.
There's a place to learn from, laugh about, and grow with.
I'm Richard.
There's a place that's miles from the everyday, yet so close to home. There's a place where friends are funny, furry, and often four-legged. There's a very special place just waiting for you. It's called ABC for Kids, the best in children's entertainment to take home on video today.
La 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 la. Big Bird sings.
Hey, you kids! Hey, Wesley! Yo, Emma! Oh, boy, I am in such luck today. And you're in luck, too, because Bird's gonna show us something really exciting. He's gonna show us his scrapbook. Yeah. Oh, Bird!
Snuffy,
Yeah.
old pal. Oh, and look who's here. Hey, you come on in too. Come on.
Oh, boy.
Wow.
Made it, Bird.
Yeah.
All right, Birdie, where is it?
Right over there, Snuffy.
Oh, wow.
Take a look.
Look at that. It's a scrapbook. I always wondered, Bird.
Well, Snuffy, it says, My Scrapbook by Big Bird.
And you made that all by yourself?
Yes, Snuffy. I put in all my favorite things like pictures of places that I've been, things that I've made, souvenirs.
Oh, wow, the outside is beautiful, Bird. Can we look at the inside?
Snuffy, be my guest.
Oh, boy. This book is a little small for me, Bird. Do you think you could give me a hand?
Oh, you want a little help?
Yeah.
What are friends for? Here we are.
Oh, wow! I wasn't expecting this, Bird.
Snuffy, this is my 4 collection.
Oh, and there's a picture of you holding a microphone. I'll bet you're getting ready to talk about the number 4.
Actually, I'm about to do something else about the number 4.
What's that, Bird?
Sing!
Sing?
Yes, sing like this. I just adore 4, the number for me. You can't deplore 4, it's less than 5, more than 3.